Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a 2019 Sea Ray SDX 250. Look at the beautifully sculpted lines. Folding bimini top. Beautiful gel coat. That absolutely noticeable Sea Ray emblem on the side. The chrome rub rail all around. Sea decking in the back. This one is powered by a Verado Mercury 300 horsepower engine. Just an absolutely gorgeous boat. We're gonna head inside, guys. As we head into the vessel, notice all the detail. Right here we have a 12-volt outlet. There's also a USB. This back cushion here slides forward. Cup holders. Look at the amount of storage in here. Batteries are going to be enclosed in that little housing. Just a massive amount. You could put a lot of toys, different things for all your family. There's also a little cooler here. As we approach the inside of the boat, look at the detail. Lots of chrome and two-tone stitching. Just an absolutely gorgeous boat. As I mentioned, this back headrest leans back. It's backrest or headrest depending on your height. This also slides backwards. Cup holders all beneath. Look at the amount of room in here. These two seat backs here at the driver's helm and also the passenger area. These flip forward and back. Can lift up on it. Just like so. This also has the raised bolster. You can lower this down if you needed to. It's a lot of detail here, guys. This also has the SIMRAD, GPS plotter, also your vessel view. All that information will be located within. More USBs. Again, we got a lot of devices to charge. Another 12-volt outlet. Pump out bilge, accessories. Fusion radio. Has Bluetooth capability. We can pair up phones or devices and we can stream our music all day. There's another little storage here. Sea Ray's attention to detail is just phenomenal. Also a little lighting all the way through, speakers. We're gonna head up to the bow of the boat. Look at this, guys. Cup holders, more charging ports for devices. There's a little window there for the berth area and also the head area. We'll get to that in a moment. Just a lot of detail here. Beautiful Sea Ray and all the stitching. Under these cushions, there's additional places for, you put ice, drinks, food. Also comes with its own little cooler. Seagrass flowing all the way through. It's a little lockable compartment here on the top, like a little glove box. Let's head inside. Just a huge little cabin area. Another charging port. Carbon monoxide detector. That little window I mentioned earlier. There's storage underneath all these cushions. And also this one lifts up. Has a little head area. Again, this is CJ Jenkins from MarineMax Gulf Shores.